I really appreciate that. It says, has Rob dealt with pay disparity with changing positions, industries? How does a government employee, one with qualifications, switch from the private sector? Um, how does it differ? Okay, maybe I'm reading this wrong.
Basically, if you're in public sector, how do you get to private sector? Like what to expect?
Gotcha.
That is a great question,
This dude
Larry.
asks amazing questions.
That is such a great question. I love that question because I went through this exact issue when I was getting out of the Marine Corps, and uh, I didn't know how to like evaluate myself. We don't have enough time to tell that story, but I would love to share it. The short answer is here's what you look for. One is go to a place like glassdoor.com and look at reviews, look at roles similar to what you want to get into, and look at what people are offering to pay. So that gives you a sense of where the market is. Second, go to another website called levels.fyi. That's more tech centric. So like developers, solutions architects, cloud engineering, all of that. And look at what people are reporting they're getting for pay. And it'll give you a better sense on like years and location and, specific job titles. And that'll give you a sense of like where you can negotiate to. Just remember, it's going to be the medium, meaning that sometimes you'll come in lower, sometimes you'll come in over. And third, mostly important for people who are retired from the government, especially if you're retired from the military, please do not let anybody consider your retirement as a way to augment the compensation that they offer you. So as an example, let's say your retirement is, I don't know, 60K a year. I'm just using a number. And a position that you want is worth 100K. Don't let somebody offer you 45K and say that's a good deal. You're cheating yourself. Your retirement is something you earn for your service.
That's right.
And so if that role is worth 100K, that's what you negotiate. That's what's fair. They should not consider your retirement as part of that. And if they do, that's not a company you want to work at. Just my personal opinion.
Absolutely.